Detecting anomalies in sensor events is a requirement for many use cases in the industrial IoT. Examples include predicting failures in HVAC systems and elevators, to identifying potential causes of failure in complex machines such as aircraft engines for predictive maintenance. When the number of sensors is large, as is common in very large IoT installations, it is important to have a scalable model for preventive maintenance. Unlike traditional predictive models that rely on a wide range of domain-specific parameters, it is possible to do anomaly detection in time series using statistical techniques alone. In this session, we will explore a step-by-step process for anomaly detection to aid in building models for predictive maintenance. I'm Shanti Subramaniam, and I hope you'll join me at my session titled Anomaly Detection for Predictive Maintenance at the Global Artificial Intelligence Conference in Seattle, April 27th to 29th. Thank you.